Welcome to AW139 training videos. In this video presentation we will be talking about engine compressor stall. In a turbine engine, an engine compressor stall occurs when abnormal airflow passes through the compressor blades, causing them to aerodynamically stall. Let's analyze more in detail what happens during a compressor stall. First symptom is a loud bang from the engine area, immediately followed by a spike of the ITT on the affected engine. Accompanied by a drop in both NG and torque on the affected engine. The good engine in turn, due to the momentary loss of performance of the affected engine, will increase torque. NG and ITT. The compressor stall event will continue to repeat itself until there is pilot corrective action as per the QRH.